Hi, I'm Andrew and I just recently attended the Geovital Academy Radiation Protection and Mitigation workshop held in Melbourne and presented by Patrick van der Berg. I have a very strong engineering and technical background, plus I have suffered from electromagnetic hypersensitivity since 2005, so I can confidently say that Patrick did not only provide a solid theoretical understanding of geopathic stress and the various problematic man-made radiation, but also provided a very strong emphasis on the practical steps to undertaking the various geopathic and radiation measurements. The subtle skills and tips to undertaking an assessment and the correct manner of dealing with a client are also very valuable teachings covered in the workshop. Having over the years looked at many options and radiation shielding solutions for myself, it is clear to me that Geovital have the top of the range instruments and products supported by a wealth of engineering and technical studies. It is very evident that they are committed to improving our environment and our health and are leaders in the field of health and radiant-free living. In addition, all the participants had great fun in the vibrant and enthusiastic environment created by our course leader. So it's not only a learning experience, but a fun one, and I highly recommend it. Cheers.